Hello and welcome to this quick video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to disable the no valid subscription pop-up that appears in Proxmox. This is especially handy if you're running Proxmox in a home lab or non-production environments. By default, Proxmox shows a subscription notice if you're not using an enterprise subscription. It's harmless but kind of annoying, especially when you're just testing things or building something in a lab. Let me log in to my instance to show you what I mean. I'll enter my username and password, and then I'll click Login. Right away, you'll see a pop-up saying no valid subscription. Let's begin to disable the description notice. On your Proxmox host, open the console, go to /user/share/JavaScript/proxmox-widget-toolkit. Inside, you'll find a file called proxmoxlib.js. Before editing, let's back up the file. Open proxmoxlib.js in your editor of choice. For this demo, I'll be using Nano, but of course you can use Vim as well. In Nano, I'm going to search for no valid. I'll do that by pressing Ctrl W, typing in no valid, and hit enter. You'll land near the part of the file that triggers a subscription message. So what you want to do is look for a line that says not equal to active. That's a quotation mark followed by two equal signs and the word active. If you do not have an active subscription, it's going to show the pop-up. So logically, we just need to flip that. So all we need to do is change that exclamation point to an equal sign as well. So that way it's triple equals to active. And that's the only change we need to make. We'll save the file and exit. After making that change, we will need to restart the Proxmox web service. We'll do that by typing in service pve-proxy restart. Finally, we'll need to clear the cache from our browser. So depending on what browser you have, you'll want to go into your settings and clear your cache appropriately. Okay, now go ahead and refresh the URL for Proxmox. Go ahead and log in again, and you will notice that that pop-up is no longer displaying. Congratulations, you have now gotten rid of this little annoyance. Again, for a home lab environment, this makes sense of why you don't need that pop-up. I do hope this video was helpful. Best of luck to everyone on their Proxmox journey. If you found this helpful, please give a like and subscribe. And until next time, take care and keep it techie.